What is up, guys? We are back here again in Cooler Masters headquarters in Neihu district in Taipei, Taiwan. This is not my first time here. I have been here before last November for the official opening of this building. If you have not watched that video, click on the link somewhere around here. But today we are here for Computex 2023 media preview. As you can see, there are so many products being showcased here in this Computex 2023 event. And obviously, I wouldn't be able to talk about every single product in this video, but I will highlight a few that I think will interest you. The first product that I wanted to show you today is the Cooler Master Encore 100 Max. This is a small form factor in a vertical format, similarly to the NZXT H1 and SSUPD Vicious. There's also the Fentex Evolve. You know what it looks like. It comes with the cooler and the power, which is a 120mm AIO and a V850 SFX power supply. As you can see, this is not just any regular 120mm AIO radiator. The thickness of the radiator is double than more conventional radiator in order to give it a better cooling performance, because there is only space for one single 120mm fan. And you may ask why the Encore 100 Max is so tall, right? The first answer is because of the thicker than usual radiator. And the second reason is because Cooler Master wants the user to be able to install a bigger graphic card, up to an RTX 4090 in this case itself. It also supports dual slot, triple slot, and even up to 4 slots graphic card. By default, you can only install a 3-slot graphic cards into the Encore 100 Max. However, you can actually move the feed further away from the case, and that will allow you to install a 4-slot graphics card. According to Cooler Master, they will be selling this case at $369 US. Availability, we have no idea yet, but possibly by the end of this year. Next, I want to show you the Hybrid M chair. This is literally a massage chair in a gaming form factor. The models are pretty strong. You can adjust the power and the movement with the joystick right at the armrest here. The whole chair is powered by some sort of a mini power bank, and it will give you approximately 1 hour of full power massaging function. Another thing that is really interesting today here is the Cooler Master Master Hub kits. Come, let me show you. Today itself, they are showing off 3 particular kits, namely the Master Hub Video Editor Kit, the Master Hub Photo Editor Kit, and the Master Hub Streamer Kit. The whole entire thing is actually based on a modular system, and most importantly, is actually hot swappable. You can actually remove the kits and stuff. Here we have a screen, and then we also have a mini jog down, a rotating knob with a screen, and also a triple knob kit, right? And then they also have a Elgato Stream Deck kind of stuff, right? But it's in the Master Hub modular kind of way, where you can just magnetically install it and you get the entire, what they call it, the Master Hub Streamer Kit. We are seeing endless possibility of what Cooler Master can actually make with the Master Hub Kit. Being a video editor myself, I'm really looking forward to how we can use it in real life application. So look forward on how they're going to expand, and can't wait to see the actual product. Now, Cooler Master is known for its thermal solution, be it AIOs or air coolers, right? But now we are seeing them with the new Master Loop concept series, and they are heading into the DIY cooling, or rather custom loop solutions. Here they have the 2-in-1 pump and reservoir, a custom radiator. I believe this is a 240mm, and the one they're using in the build is probably a 360mm radiator. And you also see a custom CPU block and a custom GPU block. At the moment, it is still a concept series, so we look forward to hear and see what they are going to offer in the future. As you can see, there are way too many products for me to talk about specifically in this video alone, so I'll leave you with a B-roll of the entire event today. So that's all for our coverage for Cooler Master in Computex 2023. Today, don't remember to like, share and subscribe for more of our coverage in Computex this year.
OK，走先啦，係咁先啦，下次再玩啦。
拜拜。